as the sun rises over the fields. The industrial heart of the turmeric harvest beats.
Unit 4, proceed through the gate. Barrier is lifting now. Head to the main depot.
Okay, we're tilted. Opening the gate now. Keep that conveyor clear. Move it along.
Attention all personnel. Line 3 is now processing organic root. Ensure all sorting parameters are optimized.
'Cause I'm feeling so high, lifting you up to the sky. Yeah, we're working all day.
Scan complete. Maturity levels look excellent.
Agreed. Moving this one to the pass tray.
Attention! The washing sequence has been initiated for the current batch of turmeric. Here in the vast pre-cleaning art machinery hall ensures only the cleanest turmeric moves.
The rotary drums use high-pressure water to remove years of soil, revealing the vibrant color beneath. In mesmerizing slow motion, thousands of droplets purify this golden root. Attention all workers, ensure the turmeric is moving smoothly off the line. Our advanced AI cameras inspect every root, guaranteeing perfection at high speed. Our precision trimming machines ensure that only the finest turmeric roots are selected, maintaining their natural shape. Utilizing state-of-the-art machinery, we process the vibrant turmeric at incredible speeds, maintaining optimal freshness and consistency. Make sure the blanching temperature is steady at 95 degrees Celsius. Quality check on line 4. The turmeric slices undergo controlled hot water blanching, where precise temperatures are maintained to preserve their natural vibrant color.
The automated drying racks ensure consistent airflow, crucial for preserving the vibrant color and potency of the turmeric.
The extreme macro view highlights the subtle yet significant changes as the vibrant skin begins to pucker. The warm light catches every emerging wrinkle. Our state-of-the-art drying tunnels ensure perfectly controlled moisture levels, preserving the vibrant color and maximizing the quality of every turmeric slice. Moisture content is holding steady at 9.8%.
Excellent. I'll update the manifest.
Our massive hammer mills ensure precision grinding for the highest quality product. Sourced from the finest roots, our turmeric is ground to a vibrant, golden perfection. Precision engineering at work. Our synchronized machines process the golden standard with unmatched efficiency. The freshly ground turmeric is blasted into the cyclone separator, where powerful airflow creates a vortex, ensuring only the The turmeric root powder passes through ultra-fine vibrating screens. Larger particles are recycled while the premium powder continues forward. The precision mesh ensures a consistent grain,
vital for the highest quality turmeric powder.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes automated mixers to achieve the highest uniformity in every batch.
Gently mixing the vibrant golden powder until it reaches a perfect, even texture.
Check the temperature reading on line 3. Are we maintaining 75 degrees Celsius?
Yes, consistency is stable, well within optimal parameters.
The spectrometry data confirms the 95% curcuminoid content.
Excellent. The sample meets our highest quality standards.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures the highest quality storage for the premium turmeric root powder.
Our precision dosing systems ensure every container receives the exact measured quantity of organic turmeric root powder.
With meticulous precision, our automated system fills each package with the finest organic turmeric, ensuring quality and freshness.
The sealed pouches travel smoothly along the conveyors, maintained by our robotic systems.
Every package is precisely coded at high speed. We apply production dates, batch numbers, and full traceability codes that dry instantly for maximum efficiency.
Attention all floor staff. Line 3 requires immediate quality control inspection.
Welcome to the future of logistics, where precision meets productivity. Our robotic palletizers handle high volume with unmatched accuracy.
Using transparent protective film, the machine tightly secures the vibrant turmeric powder for shipping.
Check the label on this one. Are the dates clear?
Yes, they match the manifest. The stability looks good too.
Okay, approved for release.
I'll take this aisle. Can you double check the manifests over there?
We maintain perfect climate control for hundreds of pallets of premium turmeric root powder in this facility.
Confirmation on the turmeric root powder. All systems show green for the Dubai shipment. Route to loading bay 3.
Attention all floor staff. Inbound shipment 3B is now arriving at Dock 7. Please expedite unloading.
Every pallet is secured with remarkable precision, ensuring the highest quality turmeric reaches its destination.
Get a little more tension on that corner strap. Okay, that should hold it. Good to go.
This is Supervisor. All trucks on Dock 5, you are clear for departure. Move out.
From the heart of the countryside, the Golden Route Convoy moves in perfect formation towards the distribution centers.
All right, team, keep the flow steady. We have 3 more containers of turmeric arriving by noon.
All shipments of turmeric root powder are prepared for immediate dispatch.
Attention employees, the international shipment of turmeric root powder is now boarding at Dock 7. Ensure all pallets are secured.
Discover the vibrant flavor of our premium select turmeric root powder, sealed for freshness.